He's like, I don't know, man.
So that was comfy in there.
You didn't want to come out. Let's
Definitely has more hair than Aubrey.
Yeah.
let's get some of that junk off your face for your photo op, okay?
It looks big.
Yeah, looks a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Longer than Aubrey too.
You didn't want to come out, did you?
Doesn't look like Aubrey. She didn't have dark hair, did she? She didn't have any hair.
Yeah, she was bald. But hers is blonde now.
It's like dark blonde though. I mean, it's pretty dark. And that's a lot of hair. Allie and Ty didn't even have that much hair.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks.
Does he have a name?
It's Noah or Owen. They don't know yet. They had like 2 boy names and 4 girl names.
Oh, okay.
So like they need to narrow it down.
Well, it'll be easier to narrow it down.
Yeah,
then.
from just the 2 instead of 4.
What do you think, Dad?
It looks like he was happy in there.
Yes.
Have we got no weight yet?
No.
No, I'm gonna get his temperature and then I'll weigh.
Doesn't look like Aubrey.
Not even a little bit.
He says,
They got
no,
the same lips, I think.
He says, that's gonna look like me.
It doesn't look as swollen.
Well, she was also upside down for. She was also upside down
Yeah, she
laboring
was-
for a long time.
All right, buddy. Let's see how much you